Hello and welcome to a tutorial on using the new Botsociety keyboard shortcuts. You can see here I've split my screen to show you our page in the documentation, which you can find over here by clicking on this question mark button and clicking on shortcuts. And what it opens is this section of our documentation with all of the keyboard shortcuts that you can use on Botsociety for both for Macs and for Windows or Linux or other operating systems. So now that I showed you that, I'm just gonna do that, and we can get started, and I can show you how you can add some of the main keyboard shortcuts and how you can do actions on Botsociety that will help you, where the keyboard shortcuts will help you. So for example, just to show you, you can hold the command or control in Windows and scroll to zoom in and out, and then if I'm zoomed out and I want to reset the zoom, I can also hold Command 0 or Control 0 in Windows. So it focuses the main path on 100% zoom. To move around the canvas, I hold spacebar and move around like this. And now to add a message, I'm going to, you have to click on bot says or user says, and I'm gonna add hello. And all I have to do here is click Command Return or Control Enter in Windows. So now that I'm here, to change the message side, so to go from bot says to user says, I can click Command or Control period in Mac, and then Control Alt period in Windows. So I changed it, and now I'm gonna I can add this message too with Command Return. What I want to try to do here is add an utterance. So an utterance is a different way of saying the same message. So I'm going to click on Command and then the closing square bracket. So as you can see, that was, you got the green sign that we added an utterance, and here you can see it's 2 out of 2. So I can say hello. I can add another one and say like good morning. So, and now I can again add the message with Control Enter or Command Return without using the mouse at all. Another, let me see. So here, all right. Something else I can do is I can create a path, a new path. So I can do that by clicking Command P, or on Windows, Control P. On that list of keyboard shortcuts, we do show the difference between the ones in Windows and on Mac. And the main difference is you can replace Command by Control. Some of them are different, but you can take a look and remember the ones that you find the most helpful for your design process so that you're able to design on Botsociety much faster. So I just click Command P to add a new path, and then as you saw, I get this like ghost path. So then I can drop it somewhere, and now we're on a new path. So here, let's just add a new message. And I'm gonna add an utterance just to show you how to scroll through utterances. So I'll just do okay. So now we have 3 utterances. In order to see the next utterance, you can click on Command Option and closing square bracket. to cycle through them. To see the previous utterance, I can also do Command Option opening square bracket. And for Windows, this is Control Alt and the bracket, whether it's opening or closing. So as you can see, I'm going from the third to the second to the first. Great. So I'm gonna add this. And now this is the path in focus. So if I want to play, this message or play the path, I can do Control D. Yep. So Control D plays the path that is in focus. So if I'm on this path, if I do Control D, it'll play hello and then hi. Yeah. But then if I want to click play up here, instead of clicking play, what I can do is click on Command Option P for play. So it'll ask me which one do you want to start from. So if you want that shortcut, just select the path, make sure that the bot says user says buttons are on it. That's kind of how you know which path is in focus, like if you click somewhere on this white space. And if you want the generic play, as I said, it's Command Option P or Control Alt P. Another thing you can do is switch to the build mode. So if I do Control B or Command V or Control V, Control is for Windows, as I said. We switch to build mode, and then if I do Control E, we go back to the edit page. So you can kind of guess these also by just hovering over and seeing this is the edit, this is the build. So it's going to be Command or Control E or B. And then something else, you can see the comment mode by doing Control or Command Option O. So it's turned on, and I can see this. I can see the comment here. Also here, if you write a message, I can do Command Return, which is kind of like a default behavior to submit that. The comment mode shortcut is a toggle, so if I do Command Option O again, it'll look on and off. And then if we want to take a look at revision history, it's Command Option R, and that's also a toggle. And then I can also open the design settings with Command Option S for settings. So those are our keyboard shortcuts for now, and we're looking for ways to add more. So if you have any ideas on more shortcuts that you would like to see, feel free to let us know.